Hey guys, what's up? It's Dave. I'm gonna go over my weekly watch list. There's a few names, quite a few names. The moral of the story for my watch list this week is high and tight flags and breakout with retests. There's a lot of good looking names out there. So what I like to do when I have a longer list such as this to help hone in my focus, TradeIdeas gives you a nice option to organize by whatever you like to look at. You can go position in 20-day range, position change in 5 days, position in year, right? Whatever you want to look at. What I like to do in this point in time is look at the score that TradeIdeas gives you. This score is from 0 to 100. 0 is the worst ever. 100 is the best setup you can possibly have. It takes into account the fundamentals of a name, and then also takes into account the technical analysis of a name. So I'm gonna go through first one on the list, VIST. I'm already in it. I did a video on it and how I did it. You can go look it up to see how I did that. SYF, this is a breakout. I kind of watch for a retest here. EXEL, this is one of my favorites for the week. I'm watching a breakout for continuation. It's high and tight, okay? Spot another high and tight look. You're watching for a breakout for continuation there. Pale is decent. EXPE, another favorite of mine. It's high and tight, okay? Basically traded inside all week. Looking for a breakout with continuation there. Lunar already broke out, just 36% short float. It's already ran a lot. I'm not looking to chase it. If I were, it would be like a day trade on a 30-minute, 5-minute time frame. I wouldn't swing that. It's already too extended for me. Same thing with IonQ. MCS, another look that I really like. Looking for a breakout for in continuation there. HUT kind of failed that breakout, but anything crypto-wise, I would keep an eye on. CCJ, another one that I really like. Coming up, I want to, little cup and handle, respecting the 10 EMA. Look for a breakout for continuation. NTRA, another high and tight, respecting the 5 SMA, and watch for continuation back there. SE, I'm already in it. PGTX, it's decent. It's got a lot of supply up overhead, so it's pretty whippy. Not my favorite look, but if it gets going, if it breaks higher, it's got a 20% short float, so keep that in mind. SFM already broke out. I missed it. Only way I would be interested in this if it wants to come back down and retest that breakout level. App, nice, high and tight after a monster move, after digesting the earnings. It really literally didn't give anything back. It's only just digested the move and only moved higher. So looking for a continuation there. JPM, nice and high and tight. It's got some topping tail, so it seems like there's some selling going on there, but it's holding this consolidation breakout so far. MRVL, the weekly on this sucker looks great in my opinion. A lot of consolidation, and this 87, 90 level likes to hold. The only thing is that it does have earnings on Tuesday, so be mindful of that. Next, we have VIST. This is a breakout with a retest look, okay? So if this wants to consolidate, maybe a day or two, and then start rounding back up, pushing away, a nice stop loss would be, $52 or so, whatever you think that should be. Flywire, another favorite of mine, high and tight, bottoming tails, low volume on Friday is a half day, right? But looking for a breakout and continuation with that. APLD, it looks decent, not my favorite, a little sloppy, but it's kind of hitting supply up over here, and it's a look, not one of my favorites. ROIV, high and tight, looking for it to break this level as the 10 EMA catches up. Bros, missed the breakout. This would be a breakout and retest if it wants to come down here. Pretty extended otherwise in my opinion, but super strong name, keep an eye on it. CVNA, another favorite of mine. We have like an ascending triangle here. We did break out, came back in, but it held this uptrend line, held the 10 EMA as well. So looking for continuation. And EXEL, look for a break of these highs. They're could just continue. This thing's been super strong, so it's a pretty nice look. Cores, another high and tight, near the highs. Look for continuation, especially with it being sound 28%. I'm rounding up. Short float. This would be a breakout. This would be another shorter term trade for me. RDT, breakout, retest look, like it a lot. Lift, This is a earnings. It gave back some, but it has a huge gap left unfilled still. This could nice push off on volume. Now it's just slowly selling off. So we got a nice push, little flag. If that flag starts to push up and breaks this downtrend line, this creates a higher low versus this 1625 low. Then here you go. Then we have a retest probably of that $19 level next. So I would keep an eye on that. I like it. P-time, I missed it. Broke out, pulled to the 5 SMA, hasn't even tagged the 10. Just time corrected and let that catch up. So it's a pretty strong name, 17% short float. Keep an eye on it. Affirm, been waiting for this to pull back. Hasn't given an opportunity yet. I'm not chasing it up here. Well done if you caught it. Square, I like the controlled selling down to the 10 EMA. We'll see if it gets down to this level, but look at the declining volume down here, right? So there's less and less transactions happening at these levels. So eventually supply is going to dry up. Irene, IREN, broke out of these levels here, looking for continuation. Coin, with Bitcoin and how crypto is acting overall, long term, this thing is holding this, right? It's just consolidating. Prices are being accepted up here. So maybe it undercuts, shakes some weak hands out, and then goes up. Great. Long term, in my opinion, not financial advice, it's still up. WULF, I like how it broke out of this consolidation, looking for continuation there. OKLO, I don't really trade this too much. I watch it because it's fun, because it has big moves. This would be like a day trading name for me. I have tomorrow off. I don't day trade on a regular basis. I swing trade. So this would be like a short term. It needs to tighten up and have some sort of consistency in price action for me. If you can see it, good for you. I can't. Net, I want to see if this can fill this gap or not. I want to see it start curling up, but this would be a breakout and like a retest type look. NNE starting to curl up after hitting that supply area from this there. Okay, so hit that supply, tested it, and dropped the bids. Right, came down to the 10 EMA. So we'll see if a higher high was indeed bait. We'll see if this will be a lower low. I'm sorry, a higher low. DJT. Been tight for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and on the 8th day, hello, peak little volume, and we have something moving. So this is finally show some life. Short float's huge. It's not loading up. Don't know why. That is what I'm looking at. High and tights, breakout retest, consolidations, looking for higher highs and higher lows. There's a lot of names out there. Just make sure you do your homework, be prepped, have a plan, and then execute. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. If you are looking for a professional trading community that helps each other grow and develop into professional traders, come check out Micro E-Futures and Equities ETC. We are a solid squad there. Use the link in my bio. And then also, there's Cyber Monday deals coming up too. So just take advantage of that, please. It's a smart thing to do. And then TradeIdeas, you get 15% off. You use DCOB. If you like this and how all of this looks and the functionalities of it, there's a lot that I haven't shown you on the screen that goes on in the background with back testing and organizing and creating your scans and things like that. The capabilities of this is amazing. And so I'll show you guys some videos of that in the future. But either way, if you're interested in TradeIdeas, you get a 15% off discount using DCOB 15. Thank you for your time. Manage your risk. Trade to trade another day. Learn, use each other, and stay safe out there. Thanks for your time. Later.